This morning, after the heavy rain last night, is a beautiful sunny day, and we have been doing some shopping nearby, and Håkan have been doing some kind of shopping too, if you can hear that. So, not having a car, we have to find other ways to buy our stuff. We are buying things by the bicycle, and now by his trolley. So, and you can't buy as much as you want to, but he managed to squeeze in some bottles or so. And it's pretty heavy as it looks like. And today we have managed to buy the local wine, Cremant Jura, which is special for this area. I have no idea how it tastes, but it was recommended by the staff anyway. So we have a lot of friends here on the lake, on the canal, hoping to get some bread from us. As you can see, there's a lot of weeds in the canal, and that can cause a lot of problem to the propeller because it gets stuck and the engine will stop. So this is L'Isle-sur-Le Doubs. It's not really a very big town, but it's very lively today because of the market on the other side. So today's project is, or rather target is, another 10 locks to another town called Montpellier, which has better facilities, we hope.